Okay, so we're going to graph this thing in pieces, and it's going to be really easy, especially with the practice that you just had. Here is how I want you to do this. Every time you have a piecewise function, it's going to have a statement over here. And this is like where the curve is broken into its pieces. It says if you are bigger than 3, you have this shape. If you're less than or equal to 3, you have this shape. Okay? So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw an imaginary line. It's not an asymptote. I don't know how else to draw it. It's an imaginary line where x equals 3. So at this point right here, whatever it is, it might be 2 in another problem, or it might be 0 in another problem, but whatever that is, that's where our curve is going to be broken. That's where the shapes change. Okay? Now I want you to forget about that for a minute. And I want you to sketch this right here. So just forget about that green line and sketch that. What does that look like? That looks like a V. I'm going to draw in my V. Now, do you see the V crosses that dashed line? So at that point where it crosses, I'm going to put an open circle. Any guess why that's an open circle? Because it's not or equal to, right? See that right there? Pay attention to that. Now, I am going to erase either the left side of my picture, the V, or the right side of the V. So here's the left side, here's the right side. I'm going to erase part of it. This says I keep the part where x is bigger than 3. So which part would that be? The left side or the right side? The right side. This is where x is bigger than 3. So I am simply going to erase the part of the V that I don't want. The only part of the V that I want, this is a V, and the only part of it that I want is the part bigger than 3. Okay? Now, what shape is this? That's a parabola. So I'm going to sketch in my parabola. It, too, is going to cross my green line, right? It crosses my green line right here, and I'm going to make that a solid dot because of that. And now I'm going to erase half of that picture. What part am I going to erase? This tells me what to keep. What am I keeping? The left side, less than. I'm keeping the left side, so I am going to erase the right side. You will always keep one left side and one right side. And that's it. It is simple. Now, it's simple if you know what these shapes are, right? We got to memorize our shapes. All right, so I will see you sometime. Do I see you tomorrow? I think I see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow, day 5?
I think they switched day 5, and I think tomorrow's 6.